Hi, I'm Denise Shavandy and welcome to Spork U. This is my first episode in my series of noodles where I'm going to teach you all kinds of stuff from how to spruce up your instant noodles to how to make homemade pasta. Today we're going to make Gochujang Spaghetti. Now this is not your known spaghetti. This is a total mashup using some Korean condiments to give you a serious punch of flavor. So let's talk about the Korean ingredients in this. First up, we've got gochujang. This stuff is spicy, tangy, complex, and just a little bit sweet. It's made from fermented glutinous rice, soy, and chili, and it's going to pack some serious umami in our dish today. Next up is kimchi. Now, this is also made with chili, but it's made with vegetables, seasoned with garlic, ginger, and salt, and it's going to add brightness and acidity to our dish. Now that we know a little bit about our ingredients, let's get started. First, cook your spaghetti. Season your water to where it's salty as the ocean. Cook until al dente according to the package directions. You want a little bit of toothiness left because we're going to heat that pasta up later. When you drain the water, keep about a half a cup of the water. This little bit of starchy water is going to help the sauce stick to our noodles. Melt your butter, whisk in your gochujang. Add 1 cup of chopped kimchi. Don't forget to burp your kimchi first. If it's fresh, it should have some pressure and gases built up inside and it should bubble over. Add your reserved pasta water, then your spaghetti, and heat that up together while we get some eggs ready. I like mine sunny side up, but make your eggs any way you enjoy. Plate up that pasta, add your egg, garnish with a little bit of chopped cilantro, fresh green onions, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. That's a little spicy, a little bit acidic, and we've got some nice richness from the butter and the runny egg yolk. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, slap that subscribe button, and I'll see you at Spork U.